Earlier we installed Node.js. When installing Node.js, npm as well got installed. Using npm, we are going to install Angular. In the command prompt, we can type the following command: npm space install space -g space at Angular /CLI. Then we have the @ symbol followed by 12.1.3. The at 12.1.3 refers to the specific Angular version that we want to get installed. Version 12.1.3 is a stable version during 2022. If version number is not provided, it will install the latest version. I request to install this specific version so that the examples that we will implement later gets the uniform behavior. I am pressing enter to run the command. This will download all the dependent libraries required from internet. This may take a while to complete. This is how it looks like when the installation completes.